are you today? All right, happy to see you again. Today we have a very exciting activity, all right? So can you imagine it is about what? What is the activity about? Okay, it's about the idioms. So you said that it's about the idioms, but what's the idioms? All right, who can tell me? Where is idioms? Yes, Ruya. The word that... Okay, good, good. So you're closer to that. Couch and changing the channel from another channel, all right? So couch potato means a very lazy person, all right? A very lazy person. All right, so who can find the meaning here? Thank you very much. So couch potato means to be lazy, all right? So, good. So couch potato, look everyone. Couch potato means you're very lazy. For example, I will say, my dad is a couch potato. Why? Because he's watching TV for 24 hours, all right? Someone that's very lazy, we call him or her couch potato. Excellent. We have another idiom. Two heads are better, means good, than one head. It's mean humans should have two heads instead of one. Means I should have two heads. Okay, so what does it mean? I should have another head here. So what does it mean? Two heads are better than one. So who can imagine, who can guess? What does it mean? Right. Yes, Lydia.
It means to work together, it's gonna be easier.
Excellent, look everyone. Two heads are better than one means if you work together. If you work together, it will be easier to finish what you're doing, all right? So who can find the meaning here? I need يا سريع. All right, come to here. All right, show it to your friends, this team. All right, who can guess the idiom? Who can guess? You have pig, and also you have two Rovan. Excellent, it's mean when pigs fly. When pigs fly. So, what does it mean? Thank you very much. It's mean in real life, pigs are flying. Okay, can you imagine? If you look at the sky, there is pigs are flying. So, when pigs fly means something that will never ever happen. Good job. All right. Thank you very much.